Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiat windshield fluid cap and how to fill the windshield fluid. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, we have this funny and mysterious problem with our Fiat 500, right? The thing is, the windshield fluid kept running out, so I finally got tired of it and I opened the engine hood, and guess what? Check this out. The windshield fluid cap broke. I was like, really, Fiat? Come on, man. How in the world this thing broke? The thing is, your Fiat 500 engine creates so much heat, and the materials that Chrysler's used to build, you know, this whatever, the windshield fluid cap is not good. It's cheap. So good thing I found the replacement right here. So what you want to do now, just get a flat screwdriver and then pop this off. Very easy. And then once you're done, just open it. Yeah, if your windshield fluid wiper keeps running out, you may want to check whether there is a leak in the reservoir or it's just this cap broke. The thing is, this plastic is made really cheap by Fiat. I don't know why Fiat created this thing so cheap. And then you just have to press it back, and guess what? Get a funnel and make sure you guys get the streak free shine, okay? And it has the minus 20 degree Fahrenheit winter protection. So in the winter, since my car is outside, so it won't what? It won't freeze. Then you can use your windshield wiper fluid in the winter time. Okay. So this fluid can withstand minus 20 degree Fahrenheit. So it's really good. And I'll put the link in the description where you can get it. And then just pour it. What do you call it? Put the funnel out, and that's it. Problem solved. And you just close it. The thing is, if your windshield fluid reservoir cap is broken, guess what? The fluid will splash all over the place when your car is running. That's why we ran out of fluid. That's the mystery. I was like, really, Fiat? But the thing is, sometimes when you have that problem, sometimes there is some kind of leak in the hose or in the reservoir. But I checked it, everything was fine. And guess what? Thankfully, it's only the cap. So anyway, yeah, that's basically how you change the cap of the windshield fluid reservoir and how you fill it up. You need a funnel, and make sure you get the, you know, the one that has minus 20 degree Fahrenheit, or, you know, even lower one is even better. So it won't freeze during the winter time. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Bye.